Do you want to sound like a professional voiceover artist? In this video, we are going to show you how to create YouTube videos using text-to-speech software.
Did you realize the first two sentences were read by an artificial intelligence text-to-speech software? This is eMaster.
2, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
My father tried to teach me human emotions.
The human voice. We all think that recognizing any human voice from an animal's is an easy task. It would seem our ability to speak and understand is exclusive only to us humans. However, the rise of AI might be approaching. Google DeepMind is now able to replicate any voice almost perfectly. And what does that mean? Does that mean that YouTube will no longer be able to differentiate real human voices from AI? Anyone with a computer or a phone is now able to transform their text into speech with tools that we will show you, and are also eligible for YouTube channel monetization and earning money from AdSense. Furthermore, the audience will not suspect that the voice has been created by a robot. Can text-to-speech software be used for YouTube videos? Yes, if you follow the YouTube guidelines. Let's take a look at what YouTube says about using text-to-speech software on YouTube videos. There is no exact policy that defines usage of text-to-speech software, but we have found a similar article that refers to text-to-speech. Repetitious content. Violation of this policy is prohibited by Google AdSense and not YouTube itself. AdSense assumes that creators who are using text-to-speech software will leave the audience disappointed. The first few versions of this software were considered subpar, and a lot of content creators were spamming low-quality content all over YouTube. Currently, these versions of text-to-speech are not allowed on YouTube. However, there are new versions that YouTube cannot differentiate between. Technically, automated voiceovers are considered automated content, which is not allowed on YouTube. These types of videos are not allowed to be monetized. But why are there channels that keep doing it? Adding significant value to the video by writing a script and editing will make it safe for YouTube. You should use more advanced text-to-speech software for long-term safety. YouTube's anti-spam algorithm is getting better every year, so better tools will guarantee long-term success. We have made samples using 4 different text-to-speech programs, so you don't have to. Take a look.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We will speak about text-to-speech voiceovers here.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We will speak about text-to-speech voiceovers here.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We will speak about text-to-speech voiceovers here.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We will speak about text-to-speech voiceovers here.
Well, it didn't sound that amazing, but let me show you a trick. If you are using any text-to-speech software, it would work a lot better if you were to combine it with a musical soundtrack. Let's see.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We will speak about text-to-speech voiceovers here.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We will speak about text-to-speech voiceovers here.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We will speak about text-to-speech voiceovers here.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We will speak about text-to-speech voiceovers here.
Did you hear the quality immediately improve? The absolute winner here is Talkia, because they allow you to adjust emphasis, voice speed, and even the pitch to get a more professional output for your voiceover. If you are going to start using this software, first prepare the best options for your work, and then start preparing voiceovers. You will find Talkia's link in the description. Can a YouTube channel still be monetized whilst using text-to-speech software? As long as you keep the AI's voice as natural as a human's, yes, you can. We have monetized multiple YouTube channels using high-quality text-to-speech software. Our team has tried multiple ways to get monetized on YouTube, and yes, even slideshows or just videos without sound can be monetized. The real problem is, how does your audience respond to your videos? Getting monetized is easy. Staying in the YouTube Partners program is a bit of a different story. If you browse across YouTube, you will see multiple successful channels utilizing text-to-speech software, stock footage, and ads running on their videos. Although, YouTube has updated its policies regarding the ads. Now ads are showing up on any YouTube videos, even if the channel isn't monetized. If we dig a little deeper, you would find that those channels are uploading frequently, and this is the sign that YouTube is still monetizing this channel. Unless perhaps the video has many affiliate links in the description. Here's an example of a YouTube channel that we monetized using text-to-speech software and stock footage.
Most people have been paranoid at some point in their lives. This might be one of those times in life when you feel more paranoid than usual.
This channel was abandoned, and we have not been making any content on it currently. But here is the video that gained a lot of attraction and monetized the channel.
Bite is a medical condition in which your top row of teeth don't line up with your bottom row.
It's using text-to-speech, and it only has stock footage with subtitles. More than 80% of people, if they have not used the software, would not realize this is an AI voice and would continue watching the video. If you don't feel confident about your channel, you can always monetize it with other videos that comply with YouTube policies. And if you aren't sure your YouTube channel is up to standard, post a link in the comments and we will reply with a short analysis of your channel. Here are successful YouTube channels that are using text-to-speech software. If you go to the channel and sort videos by most popular, you would see that it has multiple videos that have gone viral.
SEAL training is brutal. It takes over 30 months to train an AV.
If you haven't noticed, they are using the very same text-to-speech software that we used at the beginning, but we use the female voice instead of the male. We would love to show you this channel's stats, but they have made their information private and we are not able to check it on the Social Blade. After you watch our video, go and check out their channel to analyze it a bit more for yourself. The channel is focusing on research with a lot of work being outsourced. They are making videos with better effects and editing, and along with the music and text-to-speech voice, it sounds way more natural and viewers can really enjoy their work. The best thing about this, they are monetized and no doubt will stay monetized as long as they keep the quality of their content high. Now we would like to show you another channel that is making videos with text-to-speech software that aren't trying to make realistic human voices and instead have quite clearly used an AI, meaning all viewers will be aware that no human is speaking. The channel's niche is dating. Want to know how they got over 1 million views in the last 30 days? Let us show you the content of this channel. Let's sort by popular and check the video with over 1 million views.
Possible to know what another person is thinking. And usually, we're totally okay with that. But if you're trying to decipher whether a guy has feelings for you or not, it can be incredible.
This channel is using one of the cheapest voice softwares on the market and are still making a lot of money. The channel's using specialized software which is creating content automatically. Combined with the text-to-speech tool, the content is fully automated. In the description you will find a link to this kind of software. Digging deeper, we can see that they were uploading videos for a while and then stopped. Perhaps they did not get the results they were expecting. And then, after 6 months, there were some videos that were picked up by the YouTube algorithm and generated over 1 million views. And so, they got back to work.
Hey and welcome back to the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel.
Sadly, they did not improve their content. Same footage, same voiceover. Now they're maintaining 30,000 to 40,000 daily views and still making content with an automated software. However, the point we are trying to get across, you won't get demonetized with such content if your audience likes and enjoys your videos. There are certain things, such as advertisers refusing to place ads on your videos. Then you might be in some trouble. However, as long as you have views, engagement, and comments, YouTube is fine with it. If you compare the situation to the channels that were making Reddit commentary and getting demonetized, it's a completely different story. They were simply reading comments from the internet. This means they did not include any extra value. Instead, they just read the text that was written on Reddit. Make sure to transform content and make it your own to be safe. Text-to-speech voiceovers and stock footage are the easiest yet most effective ways. Until YouTube releases new policies, the method lives on. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more videos.